She might be trying to produce. She's trying. And we have a tornado. Look at that occlusion. Oh my gosh. It's kind of struggling right now. She was planted, still on the ground. Very weak rope. Still on the ground, the trees there. Not really any funnel left. White segment. Hopefully it wraps up again. Oh, that is amazing. I might have to move here in a second because it might wrap up right on top of me.